Hello. I'm going to show you quickly how to get onto mobymax. It's going to be our new online math program. And just real quickly, this is what you need to do today, which is Thursday, October 1st. First thing is you go to your Google or whatever browser you use and type in mobymax. And I go to student login. And then you click on sign in, and I'll show you how it's supposed to look. So you're going to go to here, and it says school code, and you find all this information on the Google Classroom. It will be under your child's name. It should be under their assignment for yesterday. As long as they complete this pre-assessment, they are going to get 100% on their grade for today. Here's the information. You go to mobymax.com, sign in. The school code will be here, and then your child's username and password will be here. And this is all going to be on their Google Classroom under their assignment, the paper, with all the information on it. So then we go back to here since I showed you that. You'll be on this page. The school code is TX1132. And that'll get you to where it says Burton Hill Elementary. And we're going to go and really quickly I'm going to sign in. This is going to sign in with the one student's name because we're as a student. It should say Burton Hill over here. This is just a made-up account. What you would say, and it has a little cartoon for you, and it says you need to start on your placement test. You get started on the placement test and get rocking and rolling. Let's go back here. This is where you would actually click on this first, and then it would go to your placement test. Okay. After you finish that placement test, then you need to go to fact fluency. And you're going to do their fact fluency. You have a quick little placement test. You'll do the fact fluency, then it will tell you what you're going to do after that. So that's how you get onto mobymax. That's where the password is. And if you have any other questions, please feel free to text me at 817-760-1614 throughout the day. I will be on campus doing to teach a work day. All right. Have a great day.